Traffic jam seconds are playing around with the second sound. A second is when you have two notes side by side. C and D is a second. D and E, second, second, second. You get the idea. So we're going to move step by step, beginning with our 5 on G, our left hand 5 on C. Let's play them step by step. Let's go. Okay, I'll take that right hand first. Up and down. Left hand goes like this, 5 on C, let's go up and down and up, down, stop on E. Now the second portion, let's jump the right hand, C and D, left hand F and G, hold, jump, hold. Let me do that slower. So right hand here, left hand on here. Jump, hold, jump, hold.